back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for you guys. And obviously this is the first one on my channel. I bought some hair from ISee hair. I think that's what it's called. I'll have the link in the description below. I don't remember. I think it's ISee hair or ISee beauty hair. But regardless, I got some hair because I'm going to be going to a concert and I need a new hairstyle. So hopefully this works out for me. If you guys see me glancing over here, this is where I put my monitor. It's a bad place, but it's the only place I can put it. So, alright, you guys, I ordered, before I get started, guys, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel because, you know, I am new and upcoming, and, you know, I do beauty, I do unboxings, and I'm going to be doing DIY projects. I'm going to be doing it all. You guys are going to see me revamp my room. Okay. So just like and subscribe to my channel, you guys, if you guys are interested, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you. So yes, y'all, as y'all see, I ordered this hair off of Prime because let me tell you something, all right? I actually truly believe that hair, my cat's just out here disrespecting me. What you want? You want to get in here? She knows she's about to get tricked. Sorry, y'all. I'm wearing my struggle wig, so, well, it's a hand-down struggle wig, so forgive me if I come here looking disheveled. But as I was saying, I order off of Amazon. I'm gonna grab my little handy-dandy hair scissors, and we're just gonna open this up. I'm trying to actually, like, I hate when I'm on a YouTube channel and I feel like somebody, like, they're like, oh, we're gonna do an unboxing, but it's already out of the box. What you unboxing? Anyways, I'm gonna try my best not to do that unless I forget, but I'm gonna be coming here with, like, all of my hair installs and all that stuff. Like, in order to get my hair done. Ooh, Jesus. You know how Amazon be like, they don't let nobody open no packages out here. Okay. So, in the box, when you open it, it's gonna look like this. Alright, so, first of all, as much as I think this is, like, kind of useless, I'm actually happy that you protected my hair. I'm happy. And the hair, ooh, this is so cute. I have never seen hair packaged like this, y'all. Okay. So this is what the package looks like. And this is so cute. Like, the only hair that I've actually been in, I don't know if y'all can really see it, but yeah, okay, there you go. At this angle, you can see it better. That's what I'm doing this way, because it's pink. And the back is this really nice, like, black, so that's popping. And the only hair I've ever had that, like, really comes in, like, a really, really cute packaging like this is a Eunice hair. And honestly, you guys, if you guys are like, oh my god, my cat is doing all this hoshmagosh. If you guys are, like, new hair, like, if you are new at buying hair and you don't know what hair to buy, I would recommend Eunice hair for you. Not only is it cheap, but it also is good hair. It sheds quite a bit, and I'll be probably doing some reviews on that as well, but it sheds quite a bit. But besides the shedding, it does not tangle. I've never really had an issue with it tangling. Like, I had him for quite a bit. I think I actually even wore one of the hairs twice. No, that's a lie. I wore it once, but I thought about throwing it on a wig the second time around, which honestly, I do save my hair to throw it on wigs. I have not made a wig yet, but I will, and I'll make sure to record that on the channel. Anyways, so yes, this is it. Let's see how you open this. Is this like one of those? Okay, so I'm gonna need By the way, y'all, my makeup looks a little bit crazy today. Well, not crazy, but you know, it ain't look the best because this is the wow. This is what I like to call the 7 a.m. beat. Okay, that's a 7 a.m. beat because I gotta work at 8 o'clock. Okay. Okay. First thing I noticed, right, when opening the bag, is that like, now the smell is not terrible. It's really not terrible. But when I open the bag, I do smell this really strong chemical smell. That's just, is just a no-go for me, kind of. Of course, I always wash my hair before putting it in, but with a hair that smells like the smell, well, it's not that bad. It's really not that bad, but I've definitely smelled worse, especially in curly hair. I've smelled a lot worse, but in hair that kind of has this chemical smell, I definitely would recommend washing it. I'm getting my install like in 2 days, so I'm gonna have to either wash this tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash this tonight. So yeah, but honestly, I think it's mostly like that because it's like this. This was the moment I knew I had messed up. Oh, y'all, I'm about to cry. Lord, please. Okay. So this is the wrong hair. This is the wrong hair. This is not the hair I ordered. Oh man, okay, you know what? Hold up. Wait a minute. I'm gonna pull this the hair I ordered out. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna read to y'all what that says. That says, ISee Beauty Kinky Straight 3 bundles, Yaki human hair, unprocessed, sew-in Brazilian virgin Remy hair extensions. Right, I got 3 bundles of 18, which actually I didn't know I got 3 bundles of 18, but that's fine. Now, y'all, this is clearly, and when I say clearly the wrong hair, this is clearly the wrong hair. Y'all don't understand this wig, man. This is a hand-me-down wig. Y'all understand? Y'all ever have to beg your friend to borrow a wig? I didn't really beg her, but you know, still, just the ask was just too much for me. So that's basically my unboxing for the hair that I didn't order. But if it was the hair that I ordered, it would have been like a kinky straight hair, kind of like the hair that's on my head, and it would have really looked real poppin'. But I actually don't even know what texture this is, to be honest. I think that's what's probably got me hella confused. I don't even know what texture this is. I think it's like the kinky curly. I don't know if it's Brazilian. I don't know if it's Mongolian. Yeah, I said Mongolian. I don't know if it's Malaysian or Peruvian, but it's really, really nice hair. I just don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, you guys, thank you for watching my unboxing video. And hopefully, you know, I figure out the thing with my hair. I will be back. I will be back with a review on the actual hair. I will let y'all know if I actually end up returning this hair. I don't even think I got time. So I am going to message them and tell them that, you know, they sent me the wrong hair and stuff. But as far as returning it, I don't know if that's really going to be a point to that. But hey, what you gonna do? This has never happened to me before, but what you gonna do? Thanks y'all for tuning into my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to be as honest as possible for my unboxing. Of course, I'm gonna have a follow-up video on this hair probably in a couple weeks. I'll let you know if it's popping or if it's not. I wanted to try out this texture anyways, so yeah, we'll see, but I'm definitely gonna try to get my money back. All right, bye. See y'all later.